udlula kahle. Enye into ngokuba umakoti omfana, asikho isikhathi sokudinwa ngoba uyadlula. So meke ngathi nje ngiyaxolisa, uvele axole ngoba akakwazi ukungadluli ngoba uyadlula naye. Ngokunjalo meke wathi ngiyaxolisa mngami, sengidlulile ngoba mangingadluli uzodlula. Ungayisebenzisa lento nakuyakhe relationship, iyasebenza, trust me. Kusawuyena lo makoti omfana, iside lakhe uzolizwa. Okwamanje cut mfana, cut. Ibambeke nale. Nababa, Themba ubaba uyaphila. Ngithi ngithathe leli thuba nje ngibonisa ubaba ukuthi hayi cha, khona bakithi awugejanga baba. Awugejanga, awuzange ugeje. Nangu umakoti omfana, umakoti omfana weshwele bawo. Nangu umakoti omfana. Hayi kulungile, khathi baba, khathi. Siyabonga.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is another episode of Keeping Up with the Mselegus. The previous video I made of Umakhumalo, I felt like it was rushed. That's why I'm making this video again for you guys, just to explain how I really feel about her and why I'm saying that she is the glue yesithembu saMseleku. Umakhumalo, to be quite honest, I think if she wasn't there, the whole of Umshado waMseleku wasn't going to be a reality. Because if you did watch Uthando Nesithembu, you would remember they said that she was there at the beginning. She prepared the houses of the other wives. She prepared the house of Umayeni as well. So from her being intombi ethumekayo, ethobekile, elalelayo, she understood the assignment from a get-go ukuthi uzowenzani la esithembeni and what is required of her. Let's fast forward to sebekhona abafazi Mzumbe, imizi siyakhiwe. We see her kuyena ophathekayo eyintweni, even when uMseleku enza emsebenzi, she's the one there making sure ukuthi lo msebenzi uyaphumelela. Not that the other wives are incapable, but because of her character yakhe nomoya wakhe and i-position which uMseleku amfake kuyona, which is above eyamamkhulu, to be quite honest. And that's what makes Umakhumalo ukuthi angathandeki kubona bonke amakhosikazi, ukuthi the role that she plays kulomndeni is giving i-position yamamkhulu, yet she is number 3. But izinto azenzayo and the responsibilities that she carry in this family makes her number 1, but number 3. Tell me, why is she paying for their car insurance? Wonke ama car insurance abanye unkosikazi, she is paying for them. I really feel like she should have been the first wife because it is giving Mamkulu vibes, and Umselegu that has allowed this. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Mina Ntombi yakamzilikazi uMashobane. I will see you on the next video. Okay, goodbye.